that your baby? Mm-hmm. Are you a baby, Kyle? In a baby pram? Look at the state of you. 3-year-old and you're in a doll's pram. Do you want to be a baby again? And your wee sister's pushing you?
You break that. Don't break it.
I think this might end in tears, guys.